It's Thomas Mulready from CoolCleveland.com, and we are here today at Ingenuity Fest, and we're here with Dar Caldwell, co-founder of Launch House. Hey Dar, you having fun here this weekend?
Of course, this is awesome.
So talk about Launch House. What do you guys do?
So Launch House is basically a resource and a community for entrepreneurs, everything from affordable co-working space, accelerator program that we invest in high potential entrepreneurs, and basically, much like Ingenuity Fest, a place to just come and create and be around other innovative people.
So you're, to use a word, you're like an incubator. Not really, you invest in companies, but you do have a space in Shaker Heights.
Correct,
cool.
yeah. An actual accelerator and the space as well for even the companies we haven't invested in to just be there in that creative zone.
And what are you doing here at Ingenuity Fest?
Just seeing the people, getting out, seeing what other people are creating. We've got a bunch of our companies here kind of showcasing what they've created, mixing and mingling with a lot of the other creatives, whether it's musicians or artists, just kind of that confluence of all that other exciting stuff that's going on.
Is this what's happening now in Cleveland? You think entrepreneurialism is kind of taking a big leap forward?
Very much so, I can honestly say that. So when we started, even just a couple years ago, there was such a paucity of any action, no places to come and create, no real startup vibe and community, but we're really starting to see this grow with leaps and bounds, and that comes from, again, people supporting and getting excited about that, people like yourself that are evangelizing the exciting things that are going on. So for the first time in, I think, a long time, Cleveland has an actual startup momentum and mindset.
And compared to some of the other places around the country, what do you think Cleveland needs to do? What's next? You know, like you said, we got a lot of momentum now.
So we've got the key building blocks, those high potential entrepreneurs that are now staying here in town. But what we need to do is now start to get the rest of the city kind of excited and on board. And that's the media and the press, but that's also follow-on investors, other people to get out from their garages and basements, join this kind of movement, showcase what they're doing, join these startup teams, and just keep that pace going.
And it is a movement. Thank you for leading that movement, Dar. You guys are doing great. Keep up the good work.
Thank you for what you're doing. Thank you very much.
Good seeing you here at Ingenuity.
Thank you.
Hey, it's Thomas Mulready from CoolCleveland.com. Have a great week in Cool Cleveland.